There is a quiet shift happening in long-haul trucking, and it is not being led by louder engines or bigger exhaust stacks. It is being shaped by hydrogen, real-world testing, and technology that is finally close to daily operation. The Mercedes-Benz NextGenH2 Truck represents a major step forward, not as a concept, but as a truck that is almost ready to work. This new fuel cell truck builds on years of testing with the first generation Gen H2 prototypes, keeping what worked while refining what drivers and fleets actually need. Liquid hydrogen sits at the center of the story, allowing ranges well beyond 1,000 kilometers on a single fill, even at full load. That range matters because it places hydrogen trucks into the same operational reality as diesel without changing how long drivers spend refueling. Under the cab, the twin fuel cell system converts hydrogen into electricity, working alongside a buffer battery to power the electric axle. The result is instant torque, smooth acceleration, and quiet operation, even when hauling heavy loads through steep terrain. In real customer trials, hydrogen consumption landed between 5.6 and 8 kilograms per 100 kilometers, depending on weight and route, showing that this technology is no longer theoretical. A major leap comes from using proven series components already found in production trucks. The integrated electric axle, advanced driver assistance systems, and the Pro cabin design improve efficiency, safety, and comfort all at once. Aerodynamic gains alone reduce drag by 9% compared to earlier designs, directly improving range and energy use. Inside, drivers get a modern digital cockpit, low noise levels, and 2 full sleeping beds, now approved for overnight stays thanks to new hydrogen safety monitoring systems. Behind the cab, a more compact technical layout shortens the wheelbase to 4,000 millimeters, improving trailer compatibility and everyday usability. What makes this truck stand out is not just hydrogen, but readiness. Daimler Truck plans to build 100 units in a small production run, with customer deployments starting at the end of 2026. With government support and extensive real-world testing already completed, this is a serious move towards zero-emission long-haul transport.